Pumpkin risotto servings. 2-3 ingredients. Pumpkin, 200 g onion, 75 g, about 1/4 piece. Rice, 150 g olive oil. 1 tbsp chicken stock, Western style. 550-600 g salt. 1/2 tsp black pepper. 1/8 tsp unsalted butter. 20 g Parmesan cheese powder. 2 tbsp dried parsley, a little, for garnish. Instructions. Peel and dice the pumpkin. Finely chop the onion. Rinse the rice 2-3 times and drain well. Heat a frying pan until water droplets roll around like beads. Add 1 tbsp olive oil, then sauté the chopped onion. Cook over low heat for 3-4 minutes. Add the rice and stir-fry until evenly coated. Pour in half of the chicken stock and mix well. Add the pumpkin and stir to combine. Add some more stock. Cover with a lid and simmer gently until the liquid is absorbed. Continue adding the remaining chicken stock in portions, simmering each time until absorbed. Cook until the rice reaches your preferred tenderness. If all the stock is used up but the rice is still too firm, add more stock as needed. Season with salt and black pepper and stir well. Just before removing from heat, stir in the butter and Parmesan cheese until creamy. Serve and sprinkle with dried parsley for garnish.